In this VR simulation, we will explore the aluminium smelting process of a Hillside smelting plant. Choose a character. You are able to specify both their gender and their ethnicity. It is essential to know what the personal protective equipment or PPE requirement is for your specific task. When selecting the PPE, if you make an incorrect choice 3 times, a video will play advising you on the correct PPE to select. Any mistakes made will be logged in your final score. Carbon, cast house, reduction, rotting shop, desalination plant, information. The main menu showcases the facilities available to explore in this simulator. The learner can navigate an assessment or testing red zone and training or green zone. When navigating a VR site, you will encounter and interact with an exclamation and question mark sign.
Reduction is an electrolysis process whereby fluorinated alumina is converted into molten aluminium in special containers called pots. The electrolyte, otherwise known as bath, contains the ingredients essential to the production of aluminium, alumina powder, aluminium trifluoride, and cryolite, the latter being used as a catalyst, which reduces the melting point of alumina.
This sign is a hazard alert sign.
Consider all pot surfaces to be hot and avoid unnecessary contact. Gloves must be worn at all times when working in the pot rooms.
This sign is a how-to section.
The electrical bus bars supplying the electrical energy to the pots are not insulated. This makes the pot rooms a high-risk area. One can touch the bus bar without receiving an electrical shock, because while on the pot room floor, a person is at floating potential. Should you make contact with earth potential and pot potential at the same time, you are likely to be electrocuted. The addition of fluorinated alumina during the reduction process is controlled by a computer. The supervisor is responsible for monitoring pot resistance continuously while the anode clamps are loose and the beam is being raised. No unauthorized person is permitted to operate the pot micros that control the pots. No unauthorized liquid containers are allowed in the reduction area. The reason is, whenever 2 liquids at extreme temperatures come into contact, an explosion can result. The explosion could be minor or major depending on different mechanisms. Water plus liquid aluminium leads to a reaction 3 times more energy than TNT, and if the hydrogen gas also explodes, it is 6 times more powerful than TNT. The covering operation, the anode change, metal tapping, bath tapping, and a few other operations are all carried out by highly specialized overhead cranes operated by Hillside operators. These are called pot tending assemblies.
This is a learn as you go VR experience. Rotting shop. Cast house. Carbon. Desalination plant.